Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk SURI 2.0 electric brush. You should buy this product or not. What are the pros and cons? What are the main features of this brush? In this video we will cover lots of information. So let's get started. So first of all, if we talk about this brand, basically this brand is approx like 5 years from now, and in the period of 5 years they have approx 16,000 reviews on Trustpilot, and each and every review is very positive. And if we talk about when we making a research on this brush, we found that there are some extraordinary features. So the first extraordinary feature is like plant-based head cover. When you buy this product, you will get a brush cover which is totally manufactured with plant-based material. Okay, and when you buy this product you will get a magnetic wall mount. When you use product, then you can easily mount this brush on your wall. Okay, and if we talk about the best part, that is like battery life. When you use this brush on a single charge, it can last up to 40 to 60 days. Okay, depends on your usage time and all. And if we talk about like reviews, basically when we making a research on this brush, after watching lots of videos, and after we can say like mentioning lots of things, then we can say each and every customer is very happy when they buy product. When they use product, they are really helpful. The brush is really helpful for them, and the brush is looking like very good brush. And you can see over here, these are the pros and cons, like 40 plus days battery life, almost silent, there is no sound of vibration, and design is really attractive, and customer support is also very good. Vibration is very, you can say like good, and it can clean your teeth very effectively and simple to use. And plant-based recycle brush head, and clean and polish mode, and slim design, and UV travel case charger, and you can say like wall mountain. So these are the pros. And if we talk about little bit, this is little bit expensive, little bit. Okay, and there is no pressure sensor, and there is no connectivity with your devices, and it can damage if left wet. It means if you maybe when it fall in bucket or all, maybe it can damage, but this is not a big thing. If you are going to take out the brush immediately, then it will not going to affect your brush. Okay, so basically each and everything is really good. If you are going to use this product, you can definitely use this product, and you can get lots of benefits of this. This brush is really worthy brush. Okay, so now if you have any experience with this brush, please share your thoughts in our comment box. Your comment is a real review. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care, see you soon in the next video.